Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Poppy in her scientist costume. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First we're going to start with the glasses. We're going to draw a V and then we're just going to make two straight lines. And then on this side we're just going to bring the glass down. There we go, with a little upside down V, and you're going to take it all the way to the other side and you're going to connect it. Right, then inside you're going to draw a smaller box which is going to be the frame. Let's do the same on the other side. Right, inside the glasses, we're going to draw the eyes. On this side, we're going to do the same. We're going to draw the pupils, iris, pupil, and the iris, eyelashes. And on this side, do the same thing as well. Eyelash there. Light reflections, top and bottom, like we always do. And let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now a little button nose, and underneath the button nose, you're going to draw a little smile. Top lip and a bottom lip. And now we're going to draw the jawline. So we're going to start here at the glasses, make it nice and round, take it all the way around, take it to the tip of the other glass. And then from the glasses up, we're going to draw the eyebrows. There's one, and let's draw the other eyebrow. And now it's time for the ears. So on the side of the glass, I'm just going to make a nice pointy ear, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to make a little hook inside the ear. There we go. And then the glasses. We're going to finish up with the glasses. We're going to draw these two lines back to the ear. Now we can start with the hair on top. First we're going to start with the fringe. Just going to make a line up like this. And then a curvy line back to the top of the glasses. And here on the top, I'm just going to draw the hair back to the ear. And on this side, we're going to make it nice and round to the other ear. And we're just going to follow it through, touch the ear. There's a little white line in her hair for decoration, and I'll just draw the little white line here, and maybe on the side there's another one here as well, so you can draw another white line there. We're going to color it in white later. And now for the ponytail, hanging off to the side. Now maybe I should start here at the bottom with a nice curve and take it right around, nice and round, and connect it. There we go. And on this side, back to the head, just underneath the ear. I'm going to draw a little line there, and I'm going to draw another line here that we're going to color in white later, and just make another little line there for some decoration. Now we can start with the body. So I'm going to start with the neck. I'm going to up to the shoulders and then this side also. And then right here below, I'm just going to draw a sort of a bell shape or an hourglass shape. That's going to be a little cut. Now that I have these sides, I know how to draw the shoulders now. And I'm just going to draw two short hands because we're going to draw gloves there. And then we're going to extend this, bring it in and make it nice and round. There's one hand in a glove, and this side we're going to do the same thing, nice and round. And then this coat folds, so we're going to draw the fold and connect it to that line, and on this side you're just going to connect it back, and we're going to draw a few buttons. There we go. Now from here I'm going to draw the dress. bring a line out, bring another line out, and give it a few curves, and then a curve above. And now we can actually go to the wings. So we're going to draw 2 wings. Nice, beautiful butterfly wings. And I'm going to try to do the same on this side. Copy it the same. Go behind the ear and to the body. Smaller wing connected to the hand, and on this side connected to the hand as well. And now the inside of the wing. Let's do the same on the other side. And let's draw the flowers inside. Now we can start with the 2 legs. So I'm going to make a mark right there, and I'm going to follow this curve and make another mark right there. That's the outsides of my leg. So I'm just going to draw a little knee on both sides, make sure that's about the same, and then we're going to draw the calf and the ankles. Calf, ankle, with a nice curve down. Then on the inside we're going to draw the leg, calf, ankle, calf, ankle, and then maybe your pants will stop right there, and let's draw flowers. And now we can draw the shoes. I'm going to draw 2 flowers first, and I'm going to connect it to the calves. And now we can draw the sort of a bell shape again. We're going to draw easy shoes, flat at the bottom, maybe a sole area. There we go. And there's Poppy in her scientist costume. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure Poppy will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.